Child support guidelines aim to produce uniformity in parent support obligations. States have adopted different formulas for their child support guidelines. Voishan versus Palma features the income shares model and considers how to calculate child support if a parent's income exceeds the levels anticipated by the guidelines. John Voishan and Margaret Palma divorced in 1981. The couple had 2 daughters, and a Maryland court ordered John to pay $1,000 a month in child support. 4 years later, the court increased John's obligation to $1,400. Another 6 years passed. One daughter reached age 18, which meant that John was only obligated to support the couple's remaining minor child. He paid $700 monthly. However, over time, John's income increased, and Margaret moved to modify John's child support obligation. Maryland follows the income shares model for child support. Statutorily adopted guidelines contain the presumptive child support obligation for varying income levels. The obligation is based on the amount the parents would spend on the child if they weren't divorced. The amount in the chart is split proportionally between the parents based on their individual incomes. The statutory guidelines ended at $10,000 per month, with a presumptive obligation of $1,040. Voishan and Palma collectively earned over $14,000 per month, placing them in uncharted territory. Following a hearing, the court found that John's monthly child support obligation should be increased to $1,550. John appealed to the Intermediate Appellate Court. Before that court could render a decision, the Maryland Court of Appeals granted cert.